Tractor Saves the Day by Mandy Archer and Martha Lightfoot. The sun rises over the farmyard. Dog and tractors are wide awake already. Good morning. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Dog opens the barn doors and pats Tractor's big green bonnet. Dog climbs up the tractor steps. 1, 2, 3. Vroom. He sits in the driver's cab and turns on the engine. Tractor chugs down to the meadow, and Dog jumps out and opens the gate. It's time to feed the cow. Dog puts the bale fork onto the tractor, and the big machine drives backwards. It pushes the fork into the hay bale and lifts it into the feeder. Beep, beep. Moo. The cow gather around to chew on the fresh hay. Tractor's on the move again. When they reach the top field, Tractor backs up to the plow. Tractor crosses up and down the muddy field, and the plow turns over the soil in furrows. Squelch, squirt, turn. Dog drives in neat, straight lines. Tractor works hard until the field is done. Tractor's engine needs to cool down, and Dog unhooks the plow and stop for a sandwich. Dog looks up at the blustery sky. The wheat field will be ready for the harvesting. Time to move on. The combine harvesters are ready, working hard in the wheat field, cutting down weeds. Dog hooks Tractor to its big orange baler, and Tractor chuck along the tractor behind the combine harvester. Vroom, vroom. The baler picks up the cut wheat and rolls it together to make a bundle of straw hay. At last, the job is done. The dog unbuckles the baler. Honk, honk. Tractor turns backward to the farmyard, and a fallen tree is blocking the lane. Uh-oh. The wind has blown it down. The tree must be moved, and the cow needs to get back to the barn for milking. The cow watches the tractor as the dog ties a rope around the trunk, then loop it onto the tractor's tow bar. Tractor reverses its gear. Its engine shudders and shakes. Vroom, vroom. 4 big wheels dig into the mud. The rope tightens and the tractor heaves and holds the tree out of the way. Tractor and Dog herd the happy cows back up to the milk shed. Moo, moo. Dog parks Tractor in the barn and switches off its engine. The sun sets over the farmyard, and it's been a good day of work. The end. Let's look at the tractor. Wow, there's the driver's cab, the bonnet, and the headlight, and the wheels, big and small, and the exhaust, engine, and fenders, tow bar, and tire treads. The end.